Welcome to this tutorial video. In this session, we'll learn how to add, edit, and delete a user from the enterprise. We'll begin with adding a user. To do this, open the Manage User page by clicking the user icon at the top of the screen. The Manage User page displays all users in the enterprise. To add a new user, click the Add More button at the bottom. Enter the user's name, email address, and password for the account you want to create. After entering the required details, click the Save icon to create the user. That's it, the user has been created. Now, let's reopen the Manage User page to edit the user. Click the Edit icon next to the user you want to modify. Update the user's details as needed. Click the Save button to apply and store the updated user details. Now, click the Save icon. That's it, we've successfully edited a user and updated the details. Now, let's move on to deleting a user from the enterprise. Open the Manage User page, then click the Delete icon next to the user you want to remove. Click Proceed to confirm the delete action. The user has now been removed from the list and from the enterprise. Click the Save icon to confirm the changes. That's it, you now know how to add, edit, and delete users in the enterprise. See you in the next tutorial.